Google has announced the August 2023 core update has started today. That means you could start seeing fluctuation in keywords or even keyword drops, even some traffic drops while we go through the fluctuation. Remember, when we're going through an update, the update is rolled out, rolled back, rolled out. We go back and forth more than a few times. And we could have anywhere from 20 to 50 days of fluctuating in keywords and your site not be hit by the actual update. If you're currently seeing keyword fluctuations, it's important that you don't panic. Remember, this doesn't mean your site has been hit. It just means that we're fluctuating or we have choppy SERPs. If you're wondering if your site has truly been hit, I'll link you to another video that I did that shows you when your site is hit and when to begin working on that site, because you need to make very sure that your site has been hit before you start changing a million things across the site. Now, the good news is for those of us that have been working on sites that have been hit by past core updates, this could be the one where your site makes a full recovery if all of the work that Google wanted to see has been performed and completed. This also brings bad news because when the SERPs are choppy, there are a lot of sites that get caught up in it or fluctuate from day to day, but not necessarily hit with the core update. So if you're seeing fluctuations, it's really important that you pay attention to what you're seeing so that you know when to actually begin making changes and when not to make changes. As of right now, I'm not seeing any traffic drops or keyword fluctuations with any of the sites that I monitor. However, it doesn't mean it's going to stay that way. I could wake up tonight, tomorrow, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, it doesn't even matter, and there will be huge drops or fluctuations starting. I'll be reporting here as it unfolds so that I can talk about what I'm seeing in case any of you can relate or are seeing the same things. So far, it seems to be smooth sailing, but it won't always remain smooth sailing for all of us. Again, I want to remind you one more time, if your site is hit with a core update, it doesn't mean that you are bad at SEO or that your team is bad at SEO. It means that Google is changing the algorithm with what it wants to see on the first page, and we must change with it. I'll be talking about what I'm seeing, showing you what I see in the dashboard, and how I plan to fix whatever it is I plan to fix. See you guys in the next video. And remember, this doesn't mean you're bad at SEO. It just means the algorithm is changing once again, and Google has the ability to change any ranking factor on page and off page during any of these updates at any moment.